Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Before I start my lesson, I want to introduce myself to you all to get a closer relationship. My name is Arika Chelsea Puji Lestari. You can call me Miss Arika. I am mathematics teacher in Islamic International School PSM Kediri. And I want to share knowledge about Pythagorean Theorem. Do you know Pythagorean Theorem? Before we go to the topic, I have some story for you. Check it out.
The name of this boy is Reno. In Sunday morning, Reno play kite in the yard. But because the wind is very hard, the Reno's kite stuck on the trees. Reno want to take his kite with ladder. He know that the height of tree is 8 meters and the distance between Reno and tree is 6 meters. Reno has two ladder with different height. Which ladder Reno should choose?
From the story, can you help Reno? This problem can solve with Pythagorean Theorem. So, we must be understand about Pythagorean Theorem. Do you remember about right triangle? Yeah, a triangle who has a right angle. A triangle has three sides, and the opposite of the right angle we can call hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest length in the triangle. The Pythagorean says that for a right triangle, just for a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse length is equal to the sum of two other sides' length.
Because the hypotenuse of this triangle is C, so we can write C square is equal to A square plus B square.
How comes?
Let's see the art of proof Pythagorean Theorem. Let's break it down.
Look at the picture. A right triangle in orange outline with two lengths are 3 units and 4 units. Then the hypotenuse is 5 units. Each side of the triangle has a square. Now we find the area of square in every side. Inside these 3 units has a 3 times 3 square. This square is pink. Inside this 4 unit has a 4 times 4 square. This square is blue. And in hypotenuse with 5 units has a 5 times 5 square. Why the color of square in hypotenuse is pink and blue? Yeah, because if we add 2 square, it is 3 times 3 square and 4 times 4 square is equal to 5 times 5 square. Let's see the explanation. First, we add 3 times 3 with 4 times 4. We know that 3 times 3 is equal to 3 square and 4 times 4 is equal to 4 square. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. If we add 9 with 16 is equal to 25. And you know 25 is the result of 5 square. So the conclude is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. From the explanation can show that the formula of Pythagorean theorem a square times b square is equal to c square, or we can write c square is equal to a square plus b square.
It is proved that the formula of Pythagorean theorem is c square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, next, let's try to solve this problem.
In triangle ABC, AC is 5 cm, BC is 12 cm and angle C is 90 degrees. Calculate the length of AB. To solve this problem, we can using Pythagorean Theorem because the triangle is right triangle. So we have AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Next, we input AC is 5 and BC is 12. Then we can write AB square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25 and 12 square is 144. 25 plus 144 is 169. Because AB square is equal to 169, so AB is equal to square root of 169. This is 13. So the length of AB is equal to 13 centimeter.
Now, do you understand about Pythagorean Theorem?
Yeah, I understand, Miss.
Good job! Let's go back to the story.
Do you remember Reno need our help? Let's help Reno.
Reno want to take his kite with ladder, but he confused to choose the ladders. We know that the height of tree is 8 meters and distance between Reno and tree is 6 meters. This condition related to right triangle if we draw a line from a top of tree to Reno. Then we can solve this problem using Pythagorean Theorem. Suppose the length of the ladder is x. So we have x square is equal to 6 square plus x square. 6 square is equal to 36 and x square is equal to 64. And then we add 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Because x squared is equal to 100, so x is square root of 100. And we get the value of x is 10. So the length of the ladder so choose is 10. So Reno must be choose the ladder with the length is 10.
Is it interesting for you? I hope you understand with this lesson. And this lesson is very useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.